What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Five. And in today's video, guys, we do have another one on Highstreet. As you guys can see, it has been gaining a decent amount of value in the last 24 hours, currently up 28%. Yesterday, it was one of the top cryptos, guys, gaining over 100% in value. However, it has taken a little breather right now and currently trading at just over the $3 mark. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it, take out your profits, or is it just time to hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well, and potentially how soon can it hit the $10 mark. Again, it may seem like $10 is a long way ahead. However, as you can see, guys, this crypto literally went from about $1.30 to all the way up to doubling its value in a space of about a couple of days. And again, $10 may not be a long way ahead. So as you guys can see here, the crypto market in the last 24 hours has more or less fluctuated. It is only 0.02% down, and Highstreet still stands in one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and here, which was about very early this morning, it did hit $4.22 and has taken a little dip. As you can see, major increases throughout the whole day yesterday, and hopefully we can see more green candles over the coming hours as well. Over the week, it has gone up a massive 130%. Now, if you guys go to my last video on Highstreet, you're going to see a few people commenting saying they sold it too early. Obviously, they sold it on Friday. I saw a comment that said they sold it on Friday for about $1.31. If they did wait a couple of days, guys, they could have sold it for $4.22. That is a major increase from what they've sold it onto. But again, guys, you can't really predict the future. Again, what I'm doing my predictions on are based on previous what's happened, technical analysis, and so on. There's a lot that goes into it. You can't just look at it and say, you know what, this crypto is going to pump in 2-3 days. Anyways, going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 300% in the last 24 hours, making it nearly $700 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Highstreet. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. And also, if you look on the side here, we can see most cryptos are down. Again, nothing major. They are just about dropped about a percentage, nothing major, but as we can clearly see, it has taken a little dip. So zooming into the 30-minute chart again, before I go any further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So as mentioned in yesterday's video, I am expecting Highstreet to take a little dip in value, only because of the major increase that's taken place yesterday. It's only right that the crypto goes for a little dip, takes a little breather, and that is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours, potentially dropping down to $2.50 is what I'm expecting by the end of the day today. Again, it's not going to be a major drop, but do expect more red candles. Do expect green candles in between as well. It's likely to pump up above about $3.20, $3.30, and then dropping back down to around $2.50 towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are still not looking too great. We've got the blue and the orange line. It's still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Highstreet over the coming days. However, as you can see, they're looking quite steep. The line's only reason is because of the drop that's been taking place since it's hit about $3, nearly hitting $4. Obviously, it's taken a slight dip in value, so the graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep dropping, so on and so on. However, that is not what I'm expecting. What I am expecting is an overall increase in value on Highstreet over the coming days. So let's say over the next week or so, towards the end of this week, very early next week, I am expecting Highstreet to be trading around the $4 mark is what my expectations are. It is going to be a slow and steady increase in value. It's not going to be a major pump out of nowhere. Do expect red days when it's going to drop, green days when it's going to pump. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days, what can we, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very positive. However, they are looking quite steep, and the exact same reason goes here. It is not realistic, guys. Even though, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Highstreet over the coming weeks, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs or anything like that, unless, of course, the whole crypto market goes for a pump. I'm not expecting a pump on Highstreet by itself. And again, by let's say mid-March to late March 2023, so over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting Highstreet to be trading above the $5 mark. Again, it is going to be a slow and steady increase in value. I'm not expecting it to hit $5 out of nowhere. Slowly increasing in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks should bring Highstreet to the value of at least around $5, unless the crypto market goes for a crash or a bull run or a price bump. These things could have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Highstreet, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, as usual, guys, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone. However, the good thing is we are slowly and steadily starting to head upwards, going towards the green zone. And again, when am I expecting it to hit the green zone? Potentially in the second half of the year is when I'm expecting Highstreet to be hitting the resistance target here, and hopefully towards the second half of the year we should be trading in the green zone. As mentioned in the thumbnail, $10 soon. Hopefully, guys, we should be able to hit the $10 late April to early May is when I'm expecting Highstreet to be heading towards or just about touching the $10 mark. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Highstreet, comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But at the moment, late April to early May is my expectations on when Highstreet is able to hit the $10 mark. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how soon are you guys expecting Highstreet to hit the $10 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how bullish you guys are on this crypto, or how bearish, those of you who don't believe in the crypto. Comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Highstreet update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And also, it's free to subscribe, so why not hit that subscribe button and help me out. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.